Good evening all, I am Shobha. Welcome to Post Market Analysis. Coming to Nifty chart in 15 minutes time frame, we can see Nifty has opened gap up today and it has taken previous resistance and it has given a small profit booking we can see here, and after that we can see a bullish in Nifty in the second half and it has closed in positive. And coming to tomorrow level in Nifty, for tomorrow level this will be our resistance and this is our support. Tomorrow if Nifty opens breaks this resistance, we can see upside movement in Nifty. And again we can see that we have a previous resistance all-time high. We can expect bullish if in case it breaks today's high and previous swing high also. And if tomorrow Nifty breaks this support, we can expect further fall in Nifty. Coming to Bank Nifty has opened gap up, and since we had a previous resistance over here, Bank Nifty has taken some correction, and so in second half we can see some upside movement in Bank Nifty. And overall today Bank Nifty we can see it was in a range bound. Coming to tomorrow's level in Bank Nifty, for tomorrow we are Bank Nifty has to break this resistance. We can expect further movement in Bank Nifty. For downside again it has to break today's low and we can expect some downside in Bank Nifty. Coming to Fin Nifty, we can see Fin Nifty has opened gap up. Since we have a previous resistance over here, again it has taken a fall, and from here we can see upside movement. And again Fin Nifty was also it was in a range bound today. And coming to tomorrow's level in Fin Nifty, suppose if it breaks today's high, we can expect further upside movement in Fin Nifty. If in case tomorrow if it breaks today's low, we can expect further fall in Fin Nifty. Coming to stocks, we have HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank we can see consistently it is making a consolidation from a couple of days, and we can see today it has broke this level. And for tomorrow again if HDFC Bank breaks today's high as well as this range previous swing, we can expect further upside movement in HDFC Bank. Again one more stock we have HDFC. HDFC we can see here it is in a consolidation zone previously, and today we can see it has break this level. And for tomorrow if it breaks today's high and previous swing high, we can expect further in movement in HDFC. Thank you all. See you in next video.